here making a video for Mr. Mix class. Here is the solution for part A of the free response question, Skyview. So, in order to understand the solution, we first must understand what we have to do. The question is asking for us to turn a one-dimensional array from the variable scanned into a two-dimensional array. What makes this tricky is that the telescope will travel from left to right, and then when it reaches the next row, it will travel from right to left, and as it reaches the next row, it goes left to right, and so on and so forth. First, one of the most important things we have to do is that we have to instantiate view into a two-dimensional array, as you can see with this line of code here. And then next, these two for loops will determine how we're traversing through the array. And then the rest of these lines of code here will determine how we're going to travel through the columns. So integer I determines our exact location in the array. So if the row is even, then I'm going from left to right in the columns. And if the row is odd, then we're going from right to left. Okay, next I'm going to explain part B of Skyview, which asks for me to return an average in any section of the array. The question asks for us to return a double. So first, we have to set sum as a double. The two for loops here traverse through that specific section of the array. And as we're traversing, this line here will add the rows and columns of the array. As long as C is less than or equal to the last value in the specified array, and sorry about that. So these two added values will be assigned to the variable sum. Then we return sum divided by view.length times view.length position 0, which is in reality just the length of the array. So this line of code here represents the average that we